Assalamualaikum student, cardiology third semester lecture 08 and today our topic is cardiac cycle and electrocardiogram which is called ECG and its waves. टॉपिक पे जाने से पहले कि कहता है कि बेहतरीन इश्क वो है जो अल्लाह और उसके रसूल करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से हो। टॉपिक पे आते हैं कि कार्डिक साइकिल किसे कहते हैं। कार्डिक साइकिल एज ए डिफाइन द सेसेशन ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेटेड इवेंट टेकिंग प्लेस इन द हार्ट ड्यूरिंग ईच बीट, which is a definition of cardiac cycle, and each heartbeat consists of two major periods called systole and diastole. During systole, yes, systole, heart contracts and pump the blood through arteries with the pressures. During diastole, heart relaxes and blood is filled in the heart. All these events are repeated in the cyclic manner, which is called cardiac cycle. Cardiac events, which are the cardiac cycle events, which is arterial events and ventricular events. Division and duration. The arterial systole is 0.11 second, which is called 0.1 second, and arterial diastole is 0.7 second. Arterial systole is known as the last rapid filling phase of the pre-diastole, and it is usually considered the last phase of the ventricular diastole. And the duration of this is 0.1 second. And during this period only small amount of blood which is forced through the atria to ventricle. Pressure and volume changes. Intra-arterial pressure increases, intraventricular pressure and ventricular volume are also increased but slightly. Fourth heart sound, which is the lesson in this period, which in contraction of arterial musculature causes the production of the fourth heart sound. Arterial diastole starts off the arterial systole, and stimulantly ventricular systole also starts. Then arterial systole जो कि 0.7 सेकंड तक होता है, और इसका जो लॉन्ग आर्टीरियल डायस्टोल होता है ये इसलिए ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि ये आर्टीरियल फिलिंग इसमें कंडीशन में हो रही होती है। वेंट्रिकुलर इवेंट्स के कुछ कंडीशंस होते हैं जिसको आइसोवॉल्यूमेट्रिक कंट्रैक्शन, आइसोमेट्रिक कंट्रैक्शन पीरियड, इजेक्शन पीरियड, प्रोटोडायस्टोल, isometric relaxation period, rapid filling phase, slower filling phase, and last rapid filling phase. Isometric contraction period in which isometric contraction period in which there is a phase of ventricular diastole and there is a last for 0.5 seconds. And this is a type of muscular contraction which is characterized by the increase in the tension without any change in the length of the muscle fiber, which is myocardium. Ejection period due to the opening of semiloneural and isotonic contraction of the ventricles, blood is ejected to the both of the ventricles, which is right and left ventricles. So duration of this is 0.22 second, yeah, 0.2 seconds. Protodiastole, it is the first stage of ventricular diastole, hence the names of the protodiastole. Duration period of 0.4 second, and due to the ejection of blood, the pressure aorta and pulmonary artery increase and pressure in the ventricular drops. Isometric relaxation period, type of musculature relaxation in which decrease the tension without any change in the length of the muscle fiber, and during this period the heart closes once again and ventricular pressure decreases, and duration of this is 0.8 seconds. Rapid filling phase, when AV wall are open, there is a sudden rush of blood from the atrium to the ventricles, and in this period the third heart sound, which is S3, is a lesson in this phase. Slow filling phase, after sudden rush of blood, ventricular filling becomes slow and is called slow filling phase, and this period duration is 0.1 second, yeah, 0.19 second, which is 0.2 second. Last filling phase, which is the last phase of the ventricular events, arterial systole. Slow filling phase, arteria contracts and push amount of the blood into the ventricles, and 10% filling takes place during this period. What is ECG and its waves? An electrodiagram is a picture of electrical conduction of the heart by examining changes from the normal on the ECG. Clinician and identity multitude of the cardiac flexes. There is a two waves of the ECG interpretation. Recognition, most common understanding the exact electrical vector is caused by the ECG and relate the cardiac electrophysiology. The most people learn the combination of both, in which a total approaches and a base of ECG interpretation, and second is the practical interpretation, which we are done in hospitals. The normal ECG is contain waves, intervals, segments, and complex is defined below. Wave is a positive and negative deflection from the baseline that indicate a specific electrical events that take place in the ECG, which is P wave, Q wave, R wave, and S wave, and T wave, and so on, and U wave. What is intervals? The time between two specific ECG events, which is P, Q, R, S, etc. The intervals commonly measured on the ECG include the PR interval, QRS interval, and which is called QRS duration, and QT interval or RR interval, which is our PR interval. What is segment? Segment is the length between two specific points of the ECG, and complex combination of multiple waves, which is ECG, in QRS, PR, etc. Point, there is only point on ECG termed the J point, which is where the QRS complex ends and ST segments begin. So what is S wave? S is the first downward deflection of QRS reflex that occurs the R wave, and the normal ECG there is a large S wave and the V1 that progressively becomes smaller to the point of almost S wave is present to in the V6. What is R wave? R wave is the first upward reflection of the P wave and the part of QRS complex, and R wave should be small in lead V1 throughout. The precardial leads R waves become the larger at the point of R wave are larger than the S wave, and lead number 4. Q wave. Q wave and the electrocardiogram initially negative deflection of QRS complex. Technically, Q wave indicates that the net direction of early ventricular depolarization electrical force is project towards the negative pole of the lead axis in the question. Which is ST wave and ECG. ST wave segmental encompasses the region between the end of ventricular depolarization and beginning of the ventricular depolarization, and area of the end of the QRS complex to the beginning of T wave. नाउ अब अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को मेरे यहाँ के लेक्चर से समझ नहीं आई तो काइंडली मुझे इस पर जी मेल करें dr.sayed.733@gmail.com। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो हमारे होंगे वो एट्रिया के फंक्शंस पे होंगे, वेंट्रिकल्स के फंक्शंस, वॉल्स कौन से होते हैं उसके फंक्शंस, हार्ट साउंड्स कौन से होते हैं और उनका फिजियोलॉजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस उस पर हम बात करेंगे। लास्ट नंबर जो होगा हार्ट रेट क्या होता है और उसको कौन से फैक्टर जो होते हैं वो उसको अफेक्ट करते हैं। थैंक यू।